Are you ready for this encounter? From the 17th of April to the 21st of April, it's gonna be explosive. Prophet David Idrisarahuf and the prophet Gilbert Atanga on in prophetic sounds and light. This is taking place in Bongo Namwe. Brother, where are you? Make it a point to be in the Esteemed Christian Embassy Church Auditorium, Awale, and it's gonna be your day of miracles. Come and experience the wisdom, the power, the prophetic word, and above all, the light that will dominate your heart for your next level. For more information, please call +233 2481 38998, and we will give you the right information that will lead you to your place of glory. God bless you. Peace, shalom. Bye-bye. See you 6 p.m. sharp.